Now, you can use a special administrative appointment platform system to manage the daily schedule or appointments for businessmen and VIPs. It provides them an easy access to their schedule and various activities and assign orders directly from their smartphones. The system allows the work team to receive requests and book appointments, meetings, and travel trips, and arrange them in the work schedule through approved work procedure using an interactive and extensive platform, which facilitates the work for system users by organizing their tasks and forming their weekly, monthly, and annual meeting schedules accurately and smoothly. Also, it provides an online document signing service that maintains information privacy and secrecy. The system provides custom invitations for people and institutions, attendance and reception procedures, meeting room reservation, confirming the completion of tasks and preparations, then sharing the meeting information and assigning tasks. Finally, sending notifications to follow-up activities and decisions implementation. In addition, the system has a hospitality service, attendance profiling service, and committees and council service, making business meetings more competent and effective. The system consists of two main interfaces. The first one is for smartphones, which provides users with an easy access to the required information, their agenda and appointments clearly and accurately. They can also assign voice or text orders directly to the work team. Furthermore, users can easily adjust their schedule arrangements and view it daily or weekly. The second one is the web interface for work teams. This one is simple and easy. It regulates work processes and procedures between various departments and agencies. Users can also obtain general and detailed reports and share them or extract them in a PDF or Excel format or other files formats. Centro is the best platform for managing business and VIP services.